Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English conversation practice session. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. Great to have you with us. I'm Alex, and today we're sharing something interesting.
Yes, we'll talk about what happens when you spend a whole day without your phone. Can you imagine that?
Sounds impossible for many people, right? But I tried it yesterday.
That's why I invited Alex today. He's going to tell us about his experience. While you listen, pay attention to useful words and phrases you can use in daily life.
Are you ready? Let's start the story.
So, Alex, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, Emma. Honestly, I feel calm and fresh.
Calm and fresh? That's interesting. Why do you feel that way?
Because yesterday, I didn't use my phone all day. Not even for a second.
Wow. You mean you stayed offline for the entire day?
Exactly. I turned it off in the morning and kept it in a drawer.
That sounds so challenging. Most people check their phones every 5 minutes.
I know. It felt strange at first, but then I started enjoying it.
Okay. Tell us how your morning started. Did you wake up with an alarm?
No. I woke up naturally because I didn't want to use my phone alarm.
So, what was the first thing you did?
I stretched a little, then opened my window and looked outside. The air was so fresh.
That's a beautiful start. What about breakfast?
For breakfast, I made scrambled eggs, some toast, and a cup of tea.
Did you check any notifications while eating?
Nope, no phone at the table. I just enjoyed my meal quietly.
That's so rare these days. So, what did you do after breakfast?
I cleaned the kitchen, washed the dishes, and then organized my desk.
So, you started with some chores. Good job. Then what?
Then I picked up a book I bought last month but never read.
That sounds nice. What was the book about?
It's a mystery novel. I read the chapters in the morning.
Impressive. So, no scrolling? No social media? Did you go outside later?
Yes, around 11 a.m., I went for a walk in the park.
How was the weather?
It was sunny and warm. I walked slowly and listened to the birds singing.
That sounds relaxing. Did you take any photos?
I couldn't. No phone. Remember, I just enjoyed the view with my own eyes.
Good point. What did you do after your walk?
I came home, made myself a snack, and drank some water.
Did you feel bored at any time?
A little in the afternoon, but then I decided to draw something.
Oh, you draw.
Yes, just as a hobby, I sketched the tree outside my window.
That's creative. And what about lunch?
I cooked rice with vegetables and grilled some chicken. It was tasty.
Sounds healthy. After lunch, what happened?
I took a short nap, then wrote in my journal.
What did you write about?
I wrote about how I felt without a phone, how calm and focused I was.
That's a good reflection. Did you talk to anyone during the day?
Yes, my neighbor came over for a quick chat in the evening.
That's nice. So, no phone, but still real conversations.
Exactly. Later, I prepared dinner. Pasta with tomato sauce.
Oh, delicious. What about the night?
At night, I read another chapter of my book, listened to music on the radio, and then went to bed early.
That sounds like a perfect day. No stress. No notifications.
Absolutely. It felt like freedom.
So, what did you learn from this experience?
That I don't need my phone every second. Life feels better when I slow down.
Great advice. Should our audience try this challenge?
Yes. Try spending one day without your phone. You might love it.
Thanks, Alex, for sharing this inspiring story. And thank you, dear listeners, for joining us today.
Remember to practice the phrases you heard today, and we'll see you in the next session.